All right, I'm back. Just like that. It was like 20 minutes for me, just like a second for you. I went to AutoZone and got a pack of O-rings. Hopefully they'll work. They're not exactly the same as this one, but all it is a piece of rubber that squishes down. I think that's the right size. Oh. That was, damn it, these are going to be too big. Let me see what this one does. There we go, that one fits right in there. Man, I wonder, hope that seals. I wonder if I could put two of them in there. I think that will work. I think that will absolutely work. Alrighty. Let me get a little wire brush and scrape that a little bit. One from my grill. This ain't even dirty really at all. There we go. That looks nice. Alrighty then. Now for the reassembly. Alright. You should. Which one of these? Well, I guess that don't even matter, does it? That was the front one. Alright, put it back up there, Bob. Slide this one on there. Come on, get it in there. Wish my eyeballs worked better. There we go. They're almost. Yeah, this one was loose. I'm gonna make sure this has got some. But I'm pretty sure the leak was coming out of that O-ring that I replaced. I watched a YouTube video on how to disassemble this, and it made no mention of that that going bad. Let me get a couple of these. No wonder that wasn't working. It was the wrong hole. There we go. This one's nice. Ain't that going in there? Maybe this thing won't fit. Oh, I see. That has to go out. There we go. Yeah. That's that one. That's that one. They're all started. Boy, I sure hope these O-rings don't leak. Like that. Come on, baby. There we come on. I think that one started. Come on. The last thing I want to do is cross thread some of this shit. There we go. There we go. Purdy. Gotta tighten these evenly. This thing should seal good. Double O-ring. Let me get these. Get antifreeze on my fingers. It makes my fingers slippery. Slippery fingers. Come on now. Should use an air ratchet, but I don't feel like digging it out. For 4 bolts. Let's get them all a little snug. Yeah, these bolts are long. Get that one a little snug. Using them with my fingers as much as I can. There we go. It's not a bad job. A little snug. Tighten this one up. And drop that little plastic piece that holds that clip on. So it'll take me another half hour to find that, or more. There's that. There's that. One thing I've learned, when you're tightening stuff into aluminum, you just go very easy and don't over tighten it, because you'll strip that shit up every time. And all you're doing is smashing down an O-ring. You just want it to go down, stay down. All right, that's it right there. All right, let me go with these two again. Let me put this other. Yep. That one's tight. And that one's tight. Now that shouldn't leak. That right there. Yep. Probably could have fixed this whole thing for $3.18. But that wasn't my decision to make. Boom, boom. Let's plug these plugs. Oh, I gotta. And I need that. Put this one back on. There's that. Tighten this baby up. So that heater hose in the back was a little bit loose. That's all he said this had was just a small leak. He had to put coolant in it every once in a while. And I think that heater hose back there being loose, well, I mean, it might not have been so bad. I had a heck of a time getting that off of there, so it might not have been that. But that O-ring was definitely causing some issues. That's tight. That's tight. That's tight. Alright, this goes here. Already had one there. goes here. And like that. There's this one. This one goes right back there. Come on now. It goes like this. Come on, you better. Boom, that works. Alrighty then. Well, that was easy enough. All those wires are hooked up. I need to find that plastic piece now. Let me get my. Where the hell is it? I'm looking for it. Don't think I left you. It's behind the camera, so you can't see it. I wonder if I'm gonna have to go buy one of them. Or can you even buy them? Like this one. Like this. I don't know how that was on there. It was this way. Yeah. I see what it was for. Yep, and that was just like that. And that goes to that. I see. It's all coming back to me just like yesterday. Where'd my wrench go? Right there. Alright. There we go. Put this on there. Should have put that on last or first. That's alright. There we go. There we go. I still need that plastic piece that I can't find. Alright, it's all back together except for that plastic piece. Dump some antifreeze in here. And change the serpentine belt. Oh, my coffee got cold. Yeah. How did that thing go? And I can't even see it. It went somewhere. Well, anyway, that's how you change this. Let me put this back. Might as well do something while I'm not doing something. This goes back here. Slides right in there like that. Just like that. And this wasn't connected. Pretty sure it goes right there. No, this goes right there. These weren't connected when I started. Somebody else tried to do this job and gave up. They were like, I don't want to do this anymore, so let's just call Bob, he'll do it. And that's what they did. Alright, so there's how you change that, all except for that little clip that holds that plastic tube on, which I'm not going to film me looking for it for 3 hours. So see ya.